आज सवेरे प्रस्तुत करता ब्रुक बॉन्ड, स्वाद जिसमें भरी हैं चुस्कियां जिंदगी की। दोस्तों, आज सवेरे की इस खूबसूरत सुबह में एक बार फिर से एक हसीन और प्यारी सी मुलाकात लेकर मैं हाजिर हूँ। नमस्ते मनदीप। और चलिए आज के ख़ास मेहमान से आपकी मुलाकात करवाते हैं। लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस यू टू फेलियर गुरु एज ही इज़ फॉन्डली कॉल्ड एंड ऑथर ऑफ डेयर टू फेल। मीट बिली लिम। बिली, वेलकम टू द स्टूडियो।
Thank you.
Well, Billy, is this your first time to India or have you been a frequent visitor?
No, I've been here a number of times. This is in fact my fourth time here.
And rather an interesting title of the book that you've chosen, Dare to Fail. I'll ask you why you chose that title in a while from now. But first, let's take our viewers on a trip down the history lane. चलिए देखते हैं कि आज के दिन की ऐसी कौन सी खास बातें हैं जो उसे खास बनाती हैं इतिहास के पन्नों में।
आज ही के दिन 26 मई 1906 को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय ख्याति प्राप्त कृषि वैज्ञानिक और लेखक बेंजामिन पियरे पाल का जन्म मुकुंदपुर, पंजाब में हुआ था। आज ही के दिन 26 मई 1948 को भारत और पाकिस्तान के बीच सर्वप्रथम व्यापार संधि हुई थी।
हमारे आज के ख़ास मेहमान हैं इंटरनेशनल सेल्फ हेल्प गुरु और ज़्यादा बेहतर तरीके से ये जाने जाते हैं डेयर टू फेल के ऑथर के रूप में। बिली, डेयर टू फेल, very interesting title that you've chosen. Why dare to fail? I mean, you would not dare anybody to fail, you would dare them to succeed.
In fact, that is exactly what a lot of people suggest, You say, why don't you write a book on dare to succeed? Why dare to fail? This, in fact, is the real crux of why a lot of people are having a lot of stress in the world, and with people who want to succeed in life. See, this has created a big stress, because many people are so scared of failing. So in their journey to reach their goal, to achieve what they want, but they're so scared of failing, So, and the funny thing is, the more you are scared of failing, the more you will fail. You will not be able to perform very well if you have a kind of fear. And the fear of failure have actually prevented a lot of people from actually reaching their dream.
Everybody has their own parameters of success. How do you determine, see, when you talk about the fact that you dare to fail, how do you edge on a person onto success? Because everybody has a different parameter for success.
Yes,
so how does your success differ from mine?
Yes. You see, what we're going to have is, we want to have a kind of a definition of success that make it easy for people to achieve the goal, because that is what people want. So we first have to differentiate between what is a goal and what is success. A lot of people today are thinking that success is a goal. So, for example, let's say they want a car, that is the goal. And they will be thinking, if I did not get the car, I am not successful. You see, because they have associated that. So that kind of definition for success will prevent a person or make it very difficult for the person to achieve the goal. So what we have is, we always define it, success is actually a journey towards the goal that we want. See? So when that thing happens, so long as we are on that journey, we will have a kind of a success consciousness. Even though we have not achieved it yet, we are still feeling successful. And that feeling will lead us to achieve the goal. So once you have this definition correct, we are not scared of the failing actually. Because with whatever thing we do, we are experience two kinds of results. One is a tangible result and one is an intangible result. So the tangible result is like maybe you're able to achieve some money. But the intangible result is the lesson you learn for not achieving that material result. You see now? So either way, if we can understand about dare to fail, either way we win. You know, when I do business nowadays, it doesn't matter whether I got rejected or it doesn't matter whether, the result was not so good. Because when the result is not so good, I learn, why. I learn for the lesson, the why it has not been so good. And then I start attempt another time. And finally, we hit it.
Billy says it's important to distinguish goals which are short-term goals from long-term success. तो सफलता आपके लिए क्या है, ये हम आपके ऊपर छोड़ते हैं कि आप उसे कितना जल्दी और कितना सहज तरीके से एक्सेप्ट कर पाते हैं और अपनी ज़िंदगी में लागू कर पाते हैं. मीनवाइल सक्सेसफुल होने के तो बहुत सारे मंत्र हैं, लेकिन अपने आप को काम रखने का एक बहुत खूबसूरत मंत्र मैं भी जानती हूँ, एंड दैट इज म्यूजिक. सो विल मीट यू आफ्टर दिस लवली म्यूजिकल ब्रेक.
राम रंगी रंगले मन राम रंगी रंगले 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 राम रंगी रंगले आत्मा रंगी रंगले मन रंग ले मन राम रंगी रंग ले मन राम रंगी रंग ले. आत्मा रंगी रंगलो मन रंगले राम रंगी रंगले मन राम रंगी रंगले मन राम रंगी रंगले राम रंगी.
मम्मी जी, आपकी लव मैरिज हुई थी कि अरेंज्ड?
बहू, ऑफ कोर्स लव मैरिज. इनकी बारात दरवाजे पे थी, इनकी नजरें ऊपर उठी, हम दोनों ने एक दूसरे को देखा और प्यार हो गया. हुई ना लव मैरिज.
ब्रुक बॉन्ड रेड लेबल, स्वाद जिसमें भरी हैं चुस्कियां जिंदगी की.
ब्रुक बॉन्ड रेड लेबल के हर 100 ग्राम पैक पर पाइए 12 रुपए का पेप्सोडेंट टूथपेस्ट बिल्कुल मुफ्त.
Today we are talking to self-help guru Billy Lim, and he says if you have it in you, you should dare to fail. So Billy, was it the first failure which changed you, or did it take a string of failures?
A string of failure. Because we are like a lot of people, when we are educated, we go to school, the school teaches not to fail, they don't allow us to fail. That's why they make sure that you get good marks. So in the schools, we are always so scared of failing, and that is not good to me, But then with that kind of experience, I go into my life, and I fail, in my exam result, and then I fail in my business, then I fail in my love life, then I fail again, in other attempts, And because of all this failing, it come to the point when I was feeling, why me, I don't understand why in my life I have so many kind of failure. And that was the reason, and in fact it was the thing that forces me either to go up or go down. You see, if I can't take it, I think I will commit suicide already. But interestingly, it actually helped me to break through and really have a small enlightenment, you know, of what actually failure is about.
So what would you say is failure all about? Is it about learning, or is it about coming on top, or is it simply to just learn a lesson from?
Actually, to define it, failure is a process. Actually, it's a process in a person's life. Just like, for example, when we are walking, sometimes we may do the right thing, and sometimes we may do the wrong thing. Even though when we are young, we are learning to walk. So it doesn't mean that you can continue doing the right thing. You see, you need to do the wrong thing in order to know what is the right. So, but people don't like the other part. They don't like this wrong part. Therefore, what they are doing is they are actually pushing away half of their life. That's why not many people you see in this world are feeling very, very happy, because they are living half of their life. So what I want to encourage is that for people to cherish even the bad side of their life. They have to cherish, because that is part of their life. You see what I mean? So until and unless they can understand this concept about what failure, how failure can help to mold you, how failure can make you a better person, then you will really become a full man, a full person.
Billy, I also got to know about you that you were a part of the Malaysian electoral process, and you lost the elections, but you were also publicized very widely because of the innovative methods that you used. Could you tell us about the innovative methods?
No, actually, I have participated for 3 times now. So each time I lost. And the third time, which just was over a few months ago, and I still lost, But the thing is, my vote is getting better and better, And then, because I'm not standing on any party, I was an independent, and I have believed in the independent, because in life there is not just a black and white. There is an area called grey, So always you need a third voice. That's why I believe very strongly. Same thing is what I'm trying to share with people. It's not just you fail or you succeed. It's not just like that. You see, there's an in between. The reality is such a thing occur.
एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग बात जो शायद बिली के बारे में अभी तक हमने आपको नहीं बताई, बताएंगे थोड़ी सी देर में इस ब्रेक के बाद।
करे सिर्फ 10 मिनटों में मैल की छुट्टी। नया एक्टिव व्हील गोल्ड।
मुन्ना, मुन्ना मामा, मुन्ना।
6 महीने का होकर भी अगर आपका बच्चा न सुन पाए तो तुरंत डॉक्टर से जांच करवाएं। याद रखिए, अगर आपने कुछ नहीं किया तो शायद आपका बच्चा कभी भी न सुन पाए।
One of the most interesting aspects of any successful person is कि शायद उन्होंने ज़िंदगी में जितना फेलियर झेला होगा उतना हमने और आपने शायद दिखा भी या महसूस भी नहीं किया होगा. And of course this holds true about Billy as well. Billy, you have had a series of failures. You were rejected by a university. You failed through a few businesses. And as you have also mentioned somewhere in your books that you were also a personal failure because you said that a couple of people rejected you for various reasons. So when somebody rejects you, how does it feel? I mean, don't you feel like, okay, fine, this person has rejected me, it's time for me to move on?
Yeah. You see, when I don't understand this concept of failure, when my business failed and my girlfriend left me during my birthday, you see how sometimes cruel the woman can be. They chose my birthday to leave me, So it hits me very hard. On one hand, I have lost material wealth. On the other hand, which I was not prepared, was the emotional hurt, You see, a lot of businessmen, they don't mind losing money, but they are not very strong emotionally. So in this kind of thing, at that moment, I was hit by a double whammy, One was the loss of money, 2 was the loss of your love, the one that you love, you know what I mean or not? So I really feel, for nearly 1 month, I couldn't eat well, I get thinner and thinner. I just like, there's no meaning to live anymore. That's why sometimes I understand why people